Professor Allen here. I'm going to try to keep this video super simple and show you how you can create your store space, but specifically how to hang up garments or make your garments look as if they're hanging on racks. So the first thing that you want to do, of course, is have your flats available. So I'm going to just work with this simple flat. I've already filled it with the print. I started collecting my I started collecting my store space imagery. So, you can go online and look for empty room. You can go online and look for a rack. So I pretty much just typed in clothing rack, PNG, or clothing rack. You can bring the picture of your clothing rack and delete the background or remove the background. And you can also look for hangers. So let me show you what I did. I went online and I looked for, I'm going to tell you exactly what I typed in. Hanger PNG. And this is what I came up with. So you can simply copy and paste your hanger and then you place it back inside of Photoshop. And once you do that, it may be hanging the opposite way in which you want to hang your clothes. So all you have to do is flip it to the opposite side. So this way it'll be as if it's hanging in the direction. So let me show you how to set up your clothing rack. So I'm going to copy this clothing rack. And what you want to do to make it look as if it's at an angle, I'll bring that over. So you click on it. And then what you'll do next, you'll go to, let's see, I have to find it. You go to edit, transform, distort. And after you've chosen distort, you click on the corner point of your hanger and begin to align it in the way that you want it placed. And that's all I'm doing, nothing fancy. But the distort tool is your friend. And you fix it as best as you can. And for now, I think that this will suffice. And you'll notice that it's super pixelated right now. But the quality will become better after you've hit done or enter. So I'm gonna play with that just a little bit one more time. Distort. And just modify it to my liking. So for now, this is okay. I'll keep it like that for now. In the same way I did that with my rack, I'll do that with my shirt. But before I do that, let me show you something. So I'm going to copy, paste another shirt, and I'm going to place my hanger. And I think my hanger is down here, layer 9, so I'm going to drag it up. I'll place it there, and I'm going to put this shirt on top of it because I want it to look as if the shirt is hanging on the hanger. But I realized that, let's see, if I do it this way, what I'll have to do is delete some of the piece of the t-shirt. So I'll go click my magic wand, delete this part of the t-shirt, click this part of the t-shirt. Well, actually, I'll do some selecting. So, and keep in mind, this is Thanksgiving. I'm here with family, so you may hear some loud talking in the background, but it's all good. So I'll select this just to delete some of this stuff. And then I'll go to the magic wand, do some erasing, deselect. Now, there we go. There we go. So I'm going to select each layer, the t-shirt, the hanger, both t-shirts, and then I'll merge them together. So I'll go to layer, merge layers, and now they're one. So now that I have them merged as one, I'll hang it on the hanger. So you can keep it this way, or you can still use the distort tool, so transfer distort, just to turn it a little bit. And now it looks as if it's hanging. So that's how you do that. You can copy and you can place a few more and begin to hang your other. So that's how you would do that. Now, I have one more thing I want to show you. So if you want to have clothes looking as if they're hanging on the rack, so you go here, and in the internet, all you do is type in whatever you want. So just side view of t-shirt hanging PNG. So I'm just going to click on a few. Maybe I'll do these. I'll click on this one, copy, and then I'll go to Photoshop, paste it in, and it's at the bottom, so I'll slide it to the top. I'll shrink it down. Let me zoom in. I'll shrink it in. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving. My family is hype. They're super hype. I'm hype with them. Once I'm done here with you, I'm going to go and hang out with them. But I wanted to make sure you get this done. So I'm going to select all of these other little spaces that I don't want. You know how to do that. I don't have to spend a whole lot of time on that. But you delete everything that shouldn't be there. And even if you want, you could just select a few. So I'll select just these 3. Well, actually, let me deselect. Let me deselect that and try it again. So I'll select this amount. Actually, no, I don't want to select anything. I'll keep them as is. But you clean up as much as you can to get rid of anything that you don't want. And you just place it on your rack. I'm not doing any editing. You're going to see all of my little mistakes, but I'm showing you how to get the job done. So any type of clothes that you want, you can do that. You can look for side of dresses, hanging PEG. Look, the PNG. Look at this. You can use that. Let's say we use this. I'm going to copy. I'm going to paste it in. Let me move that out of the way. Paste this in. And guess what? Remove background or use the magic wand to delete the background. And that's how you do it. That's pretty much how you do it. It's just taking a little time to delete. Let's see if it gets it done. I'll cancel it because it's taking too long. But all you need to do, or all you can do, is click on the magic wand and delete the background. So I'm going to click on the background, hit delete, deselect. I can take the eraser and just wipe out that. I'm going to click on this, and look, there's more at the top, so I can click my eraser tool. Delete all of this that's here. Zoom in, take my magic wand, click delete, click delete, click delete, and you can hold the shift key and select as many areas as you want to delete, and then you're good to go. And it's super small, so you won't be able to see the top of the hanger. And just bring it to the front. Bring it to the front, shrink it down, and click done. And there you go. So I definitely think it's time to end this video. I hear my family getting super lit. So let me go. Guys, you know what to do. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and have a super, super, super duper blessed Thanksgiving. Bye.